Hi, my name is Austin and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a lecture from one of my online courses on digitalpaintschool.com. So this is what a typical lecture looks like, and if you like this and you find it useful, then check the link in the description to take the full course and my other courses on the site as well. So hope you enjoy, and let's get started. Alright, so in this lecture, we're going to go over how to create some cool illustrative art backgrounds instead of just either painting it in a super detailed background or just using, a blurred out photo. So let's say we have our reference here, and my reference is this image of Matthew Quigley from one of my favorite movies, Quigley Down Under. Okay, and in the original reference photo, we just sort of have this great or blurred out image, but maybe we want to do something a little bit more fun and dynamic with it. So this is part way through the process of getting painted. He's not quite there yet, but what we can do is start by filling in the background with whatever base color we're going to use. So we're going to make a new layer here underneath the drawing, the painting, and then we can come in, adjust these colors a little bit, and grab a nice texture brush. I like to use one of the artistic brushes or one of the painting brushes. Like the Nico Rule brush is one of my favorites. And start coming in here with some various textures to block in these different colors. Getting these different areas to have just a variety of values. We can also try coming in here with a little bit more of a splatter effect. So let's say we want to try some flicks here. We're going to get a brighter, more desaturated color. Throw some stuff in there. Same thing with a darker value if you want. Bring it more saturated, darker. Throw some texture effects in there. And then just sort of switch it up, getting some different elements. Charcoal brush is pretty good. That can give you quite a few variations on your texture and colors. You can even color pick from your original image if you need to get a little bit more of the actual values, and just sort of throw them in there, working your way, adding those values that you need to see in there to make it feel reminiscent of the background. And it can look a lot nicer than just throwing in a basic, simple, blurred image or something like that, where the background isn't really the focus point. You're looking for something more graphic, but you want something that looks nice and feels artistic. So here's an example of one that I did where I threw in some of the splatter effects and some various texture painting brushes to really just give it a nice artistic feel that captures the feel of the original image without distracting or taking too much away and keeping that painterly feel. So try this with some of your paintings, see if it looks good, especially if you're doing like some concept art and you don't want to really you're not trying to draw a whole scene, you're just trying to focus on a specific piece, like a character or creature. Maybe try throwing in a little bit more of a painterly background to help spice things up. So that's it for this lecture. I'll see you guys in the next one.